Okay, we are here at HOMMBRU, the company name on our booth at ISE. We produce loudspeakers which are invisible. We developed a technology to create sound out of solid surface, and we integrate this into several kinds of products, like outdoor speaker Anton out of mineral fabric for maybe, let's say, 20 people on a terrace for residentials or also restaurants, and Benton makes up to 100 decibel and 3 hertz, 30 hertz, sorry. And here we have like our doors. We can integrate the technology into normal cabinet doors. You only need 8 centimeters in depth or 11 centimeters. Depends on how much power you want to have out of your speaker. And this is like a normal drawer. Same idea. We can integrate the sound. There we get 30 hertz in the low frequencies and 1800 in the high frequencies, and this whole wide wall is 8 centimeters in depth and creates 98 decibel in volume.